Hold up, I know I be on your mind. You be asking me some questions, taking up my time. I leave you on red, but all this while you tell your boys that I replied. I wonder why you feel you have to lie. You be like, what it do, how you do in the middle of the night, trying to pick my mind. It ain't even right, you're just a dumb nigga, scrub nigga. You can't waste my time. Got audacity saying without me you can sleep at night. Know I've been there, done that. Know nothing about this queen shit. Look now, it's on me. On some other level drip shit. Big boss, ballin'. Know nothing about this queen shit. Look now, it's on me. On some other level drip shit. You see me out, I'm with my crew, so I ain't tryna think about you. No, the way I move, shit, I'm a mood, so I ain't tryna think about you. Cause you seem so uptight, and it's not my type, and I think you crazy, tryna blow my mind. So get a clue, I'm over you, so I ain't tryna think about you. I'm a whole damn mood. Talking big, you always talking like you're on the street, thinking you the only nigga with a key to my sheets. Cause you pulled up that one time in a Jeep. Nigga, please, calm down off your high horse. Wonder what you're doing, that's for grown folk. And I will never be a sideshow. Miss me with that sideshow mess. Now you stress, I will never settle. You know I've been there, done that. Know nothing about this queen shit. Look now, it's on me. On some other level drip shit. Big boss, ballin'. Know nothing about this queen shit. Look now, it's on me. On some other level